Hey guys, welcome to another studio vlog, finally. Sorry for making you wait so long again. I know I said I would make at least a studio vlog every month, but last month I actually got a puppy, so life has been a bit hectic and tiring and a bit overwhelming too, so I didn't really find the time to record for the studio vlog as well as everything else for Patreon, Instagram, etc. So today is a Thursday. I need to do a lot of things today. I want to start my day cleaning up my desk a bit, and I want to design a post for Patreon where I show this month's goodie bags rewards, and I also have to edit this month's video tutorial, that is this month's exclusive video for my watermelons and blueberries, that is going to be about my rendering process. Desk is cleaned. So I think I've mentioned it before, but I also have a part-time job as a software developer, so of course I need to work on that as well. And I work from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. with a 1-hour break, usually from 1 to 2 p.m. And usually in that break I work for my freelance illustrator job. And I also take the pup out for a walk. So I always get a lot of questions on how I edit my videos. When I first started editing, I used iMovie by Apple, so this one, and it was pretty okay, but then I bought my iMac and I've decided to try out Final Cut Pro. That was purchasable with it along with the iMac, so I bought it and it is amazing. I'm using it. Oh wait, let me mute this for now. I'm using it to edit all of my videos, so Final Cut Pro is the answer. The pup is currently sleeping. Let me show you. She's so cute. My MacBook is currently uploading, and I'm currently designing the thumbnail about the goodie bags rewards that I was talking about before.
I finished designing the thumbnail to present the goodie bags for words for November. So I have this A6 print. This is the front of the print, which is going to have a matte finish. I usually order prints with a glossy finish, but I think a matte finish will fit this one better. And the back of the print is this one. It's the Tears logo, blueberries, with a thank you note, the month it refers to, and my name. And the back doesn't have any finish to it, so it's just paper. Then we have this sticker, which is going to be a glossy vinyl sticker, and this one as well. Meanwhile, my laptop has finished updating.
Bigger thing, and I've had these bigger art blocks that took me like, I don't know, 2 weeks, like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. And usually what I do is I just continue with this one. But if you are not motivated and you just like come back to you, what also helps me a lot of times is to do live drawing sessions or just like very loose sketches.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Excuse my tired face, but I've slept with Mocha tonight and she woke me up at 4 a.m. I think, because she wanted to go out to pee and poo. So I'm pretty tired. She's currently sleeping under my desk, but I can't sleep because I need to work. It's currently 10 a.m. and I have just had breakfast and I brought her outside this morning as well, from like 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and so now she's sleeping, and I'm going to continue editing the video tutorial for Patreon. And my line work with
She woke up. Hi. Hi. How? The side eye. Do you want to go out? Yes, I think so. So it's 4 p.m. now. I got myself a French. In the meantime, a new package arrived and I want to open it with you because I think it's November's prints for Patreon. So let's go. Oh my god. Okay, they're great. This is the front and the back is like this. It's an A6 print, by the way. I like it because it's small but not too small. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. The pup is not here, so I slept in a bit more. I woke up at 8 instead of 6 a.m. This afternoon I'm going to a live drawing date and I'm going to draw live in front of people. So basically a friend of mine asked me to do this live drawing session at his sister's ceramic shop. This is something I've never done before, so I'm very excited about it, but also nervous, obviously. I needed to prepare some stuff in advance, like some reference pictures of things I want to draw because I have no idea what I'm gonna draw at the moment. But I also needed to catch up on Patreon content because I haven't been able to finish editing the video tutorial yet. And after that I have to prepare a layered file and a time-lapse video
for this week, and today is Saturday, so I'm gonna have to do it between today or tomorrow.
So today I need to export and edit the time-lapse video of this illustration. So what I do usually is I go to Actions, Video, and Export Time-lapse Video. And I always do full length because 30 seconds is definitely too short. And so I want full length. It exports the video. And once it's done exporting, you have to pick where you want to save it. I'm going to airdrop it to my MacBook.
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. What I still need to do is edit the exclusive video and upload it on Patreon, and then I need to prepare the step-by-step tutorial that I think I'm gonna be doing about water, because I've made a piece with water, my rainy day piece. I got a lot of questions how I painted the water part, so I think I'm gonna explain that in a step-by-step tutorial, and then I have to record a new podcast episode. I always do that at the end of every month. But before all of that, every Monday I usually plan the week ahead. I plan my week in Notion. I have just recently created a new template. It's a weekly template, and basically you create a new week every month. So for every month I create around 4 or 5 weeks.
So here's the final result. Tutorial is ready to be posted. It's 1 hour and 14 minutes long. And I thought it wouldn't reach half an hour. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description of this studio vlog, so you can maybe check it out and watch a preview of 30 seconds.
Hi guys, I haven't talked to you in a couple days, I think. I'm filming today, that is a Tuesday. Excuse my wet hair again. I was finishing to dry them, but these arrived and I want to open it with you because I think it's the stickers. So let's see. Oh wow, it's so cool. This is the first design. It's glossy as the other one, and the second one, I think it's my favorite one. Wow, this is the second design. Again, a glossy vinyl. I love both. So these two are this month's, there's a fly. So these, oh my gosh, these are November's sticker designs for the goodie bags rewards. And this is the print that I've shown you already. So if you join my Patreon before November 30th, you're gonna get this print and these 2 stickers in your mailbox. This vlog is probably going to go up on YouTube after November 30th because today is November 29th. So you're not really gonna be able to get these as Patreon rewards, but I usually add some leftover Patreon rewards, if there are any, to my shop whenever I open it up.
I've just posted this month's goodie bags rewards on Instagram, and I got a lot of questions about how I edit my pictures. I use Vusco for that. This app, I'm not sure. No, sorry, not this one. This one here. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's VSCO. And this is the results. This was the picture before and this is after. I like to add a lot more lighting and yellow, red tones and some grain.
Okay guys, I just finished recording the podcast episode for this month, for November, and I've just uploaded it on Patreon. So this is the end of this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still very new to this, so I still need to get a hang of it, but I'm getting there. So let me know if there's something that you would want to see more of or less of, or if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and especially thank you to my patrons who support me every month. Thank you so much, guys. I couldn't do this without you, so yeah, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bye guys, see you in the next vlog.